Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of this week. Top 30 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams. First question: which Indian Navy ship arrived at Jubail port of Saudi Arabia to participate in military exercise? Answer: INS Talwar. The India and Saudi Arabia navies carried out a passage exercise in the Persian Gulf on Wednesday. Second question: when is International Mine Awareness Day observed? Answer: April 4th. International Day for Mine Awareness is observed annually on April 4 to spread awareness among people regarding the harmful effect of explosive remnants of war. Third question: when is National Maritime Day observed every year? Answer: April 5th. Fourth question: where is India's biggest floating solar power plant to be set up? Answer: Ramagundam. Fifth question: what is the name of book written by Harish Krishna Mahatab which was released by PM Narendra Modi recently? Answer: Odisha Itihas. Sixth question: which state becomes the first state to provide free health insurance for all citizens of that state? Answer: Rajasthan. Seventh question: when is International Day of Sport for Development and Peace? Answer: April 6th. On April 6, 2021, the IDSDP is a movement when IOC and World Olympic Movement underline the paramount role that sport plays in supporting global recovery efforts from the COVID-19 pandemic. Eighth question: who has been appointed as the new Secretary of Economic Affairs? Answer: Ajay Seth. The government on Wednesday appointed Ajay Seth as the new Economic Affairs Secretary. He will replace Tarun Bajaj, who will be the new Revenue Secretary. Ninth question: which country hosted a meeting of BRICS finance ministers and central bank governor virtually, which was held recently? Answer: India. India hosted the meeting of BRICS finance ministers and central bank governor virtually on April 6, 2021. 10th question: who has launched a campaign for massive public awareness for corona named Man Corona Volunteer Home? Answer: Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh launched a massive public awareness campaign against corona in the state. Make Corona Volunteer Home campaign launched by the government. 11th question: who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of Chinese major smartphone Vivo? Answer: Virat Kohli. Chinese smartphone major Vivo on Wednesday said it has appointed cricketer Virat Kohli as its brand ambassador. 12th question: who became the first Indian woman sailor to qualify for the Olympics? Answer: Netra Kumanan. 13th question: who launched an initiative, Sartak, which will help in the implementation of national education policy in the country? Answer: Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. The Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal chaired a high-level meeting on the implementation of National Education Policy 2020 and released an implementation plan for school education called Students and Teachers Holistic Advancement Through Quality Education, Sartak. 14th question: who got the first rank in Forbes World's Billionaires list? Answer: Jeff Bezos. Who has become the new Secretary of Revenue Department? Answer: Tarun Bajaj. The Union government on Tuesday shifted Economic Affairs Secretary Tarun Bajaj as the Revenue Secretary and moved Bangalore Metro Rail Corp Ltd. Managing Director Ajay Seth as Economic Affairs Secretary in a series of personnel changes spanning ministries. 16th question. Who is the oldest person in India to get vaccinated against COVID-19? Answer: Tulsi Bai. A woman whose age according to her Aadhaar card is 118 years has received the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine in Madhya Pradesh Sagar district. 17th question. FIFA has suspended which country's football federation? Answer: Pakistan. 18th question. What is the name of initiative launched by Harshvardhan and Arjun Munda recently? Answer: Anamaya. 19th question. Which state will set up an international level Ramayana Museum and Cultural Center? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. An international level Ramayana Museum and Cultural Center will be established on 10 acres of land at Ramasnehi Ghat between Ayodhya and Lucknow. This will enable people to get grand and divine darshan of entire life of Lord Ram in one location instead of flitting from city to city. 20th question. What is the name of the 7-year-old girl who has set a Guinness World Record for completing 64 front forward walkovers in 1 minute? Answer: Drishti Jaiswal. 7-year-old Drishti Jaiswal from Gujarat has made it to Guinness Book of World Record in gymnast front walkers. 21st question. Who will be honored with 30th G.D. Birla Award for Scientific Research? Answer: Suman Chakrabarti. 22nd question. What is the tenure of Justice C.V. Ramana as the 48th Chief Justice of India? Answer: 16 months. Justice N.V. Ramana, currently the second senior most justice in the Supreme Court, is scheduled to take charge as the next Chief Justice of India on April 24. Name the Indian soldier who has placed record in Guinness Book for World Record. Answer: Naik Velu. 24th question. Which country will not join the Tokyo Olympics 2021 due to COVID-19 concerns? Answer: North Korea. 25th question. When is World Health Day celebrated? Answer: April 7. World Health Day is a global health awareness day celebrated every year on April 7 under sponsorship of World Health Organization as well as other related organizations. In 1948, the WHO held the first World Health Assembly. 26th question. What is the theme of World Health Day 2021? Answer: Building a fairer, healthier world. World Health Day is observed every year on April 7 since 1950. This day is aimed at creating awareness of specific health theme and also to highlight a priority area of concern for the World Health Organization. 27th question. Who has developed advanced chaff technology to protect naval ship from missile attack? Answer: DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization has developed an advanced chaff technology to safeguard naval ship against missile attack? 28th question. Who became the first woman Director General of Applied Economic Research? Answer: Poonam Gupta. The National Council of Applied Economic NCAER has appointed Poonam Gupta as its new Director General effective from July 1 according to the statement. 29th question. Who becomes the first digital payments company to cross billion transaction mark on UPI? Answer: PhonePe. 30th question. Which country has ended the ban on H-1B visas? Answer: USA. These are the questions for you. If you know the answers, comment in comment box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.